Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how you can use envelop tool in your Audacity software. If you don't know how to use envelop tool and for which purpose envelop tool is used in Audacity, then keep watching the complete video. I will show you a simple and easy method through which you can easily use your envelop tool. I will teach you two methods through which you can use envelop tool and also tell you the main reason why envelope tool is very important in Audacity. Please check video description for more details, and if you like this video please subscribe to this channel for more videos. So let's get started and let's learn how you can use envelope tool in Audacity. So first of all, open your Audacity software and import your audio file. So I will import audio file. Now there is a two method to use envelope tool. First of all, you can click on envelope tool and your envelope tool is now activated. The other method is you can press F2 from your keyboard, then the envelope tool will activated automatically. If I press F2 from my keyboard, then you can see that the envelope tool is activated automatically. So now why this envelope tool is used in Audacity and for which purpose it is used for in and for which purpose it is used in Audacity. Now if you want to add fade-in effect in your Audacity audio file, then you have to use your envelope tool. So I will select from, first of all I will zoom in my audio track. After that I will add a simple dot here and one dot at the beginning. Now you can hold this dot to the close each other. When these both points are close to each other, now you are able to add fade-in effect in your audio file. So the envelope tool is used to add fade-in or fade-out effects in your audio file. You can also increase or decrease your audio file or your pitch of your audio file. So this is a short video in which I will tell you how you can use envelope tool in Audacity software. Envelope tool is used for fade in and fade out effects. You can activate it by pressing or by clicking here, or you can activate it through your keyboard by pressing F2 button. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys in the next video.